In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to simplify a fraction. Now, we're going to go over a few rules, so feel free to pause the video at any time to write down these rules. Now, simplest form is defined by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same exact number. The next rule is that all even numbers can be divided by 2. And the last rule is that all odd numbers can be divided by itself. For example, 3 divided by 3, 5 divided by 5, and so forth and so on. Now the fraction that we're going to start off with is 6/8. As you can see, we have 2 even numbers, which means they can both be divided by 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. So 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2, which gives us 3/4. This is now in its simplest form because we can no longer divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Now we're going to start with another example. This example is going to have an odd number, 5/10. Remember, the rule for odd numbers is it can always be divided by itself. So we're going to divide it by 5, and 10 can also be divided by 5. And 5/10 in its simplest form is 1/2. Now remember, a fraction can be simplified multiple times. You must keep going until you can no longer divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number.